Kwande Mzansi ibizo lami nginguthando Mahlangu, indebele activist, indebele elifundileko. Namhlanje ngikhamba noNkosinathi, uFani Masilela, uDlambili ngeche mina kwethu.
Mina kuthi kunjani?
Awasithokoze.
Kwande Mzansi, ibizo lami nginguNkosinathi, uFani wakamasilela, ngida komdibane, ngono bezwe, masala begoduka, madlaza abanye, madlaza kuyajabajaba.
Yes.
Msunguli weSqomani authentic wear, sangisiyabusha.
Ngiyathokoza mina kwethu. Leadership ifuna ukuthi ke siveze ikhambo lakho nokuthi wathoma nini, ukuthi yini into yakwenza ukuthi uthome ukusungula ibrand ethi Sqomani.
Product lesi ithome 2012 mawethu.
Yes.
And masithoma sihlale sithoma ngathi siyadlala.
Correct.
Kuba ngathi nje awazi wenzani.
Yes.
Mara ukuhamba kwesikhathi uyayibona ukuthi into oyenza kule iba ne-impact emphakathini la sikhulele khona.
Yeah.
So sithome 2012 ngingibha nje. Uthatha iskipho usprinte. Kuya kwesikhathi ugcina sowubona ukuthi into le ingakwenza umuntu emphakathini.
Ngiyafuna.
Uyangithola sayipusha for the past 10 years. Mara kwanje I think it's coming all right. It's getting where I want it to go.
Yes,
But
yes.
yonke into iyangesikhathi. The more ikhamba, the more ufunda, the more ujwayela ukuthi kufunakalani ukuze wenze into ibe impactful emphakathini ukuthi abantu bayithande.
So now, ama-challenges ohlangene nawo in the last 10 years, imaphi nawulokhu ulwela ukuthi iSqomani sibele sifanele product?
I think ama-challenges maningi mina wethu.
Yes.
Challenge yokuthoma kwenza abantu ukuthi bayithenge. Ngoba i-challenge yokuthoma leyo ukuze abantu kumele uthole, angazi ukuthi ngithi i-recipe or yini, mara kumele abantu bayithenge ukuze iqhubekele phambili. I think i-challenge yokuthoma ukuthola ama-customer. Kumele ngizame ngamandla, ngizame ama-strategy lawo wami ngicabanga ukuthi at least abantu bakhona ukungi-support. I think bekungiyi-challenge yokuthoma leyo. Sayi-overcome leyo. Saba nayo i-fan base. I think nje okwanje sinayo i-fan base, mara kusi i-fan base ekule engasenza one of the international brands. But I think along the way we are going to that we are taking that journey ukuthi siyenze ibe i-product ekulu emhlabeni. Enye challenge ukuthi mayikhula you need imali ukuthi udevelop ama-product. I think nayo le challenge, but thina say bootstrapper. Angazi ukuthi bootstrapping ngayibe kanjani, mara osikutholako siyakuthatha sikusela product ukuthi si-perfect ukuthi ibe i-product lesifuna ibe ngiyo.
So now, ubudlelwane onabo nomduduzi Nduli noSkhumba Hlophe, because I've seen most of the time iSqomani sibereka kakhulu namkhana simbathwa kakhulu ma-comedian abangena kuma-big stages. Ubudlelwane nabo uthini?
Umduduzi, I'll talk about umduduzi because umduduzi umuntu walangu yakhona, umuntu engimjwayele. I think uthanda i-product, angeke ngithi sine-partnership or anything. It's just that uthanda i-product and he's willing to help where he can in pushing the product. So abangani bakhe nabo kuSkhumba bayibonile i-product, bayithanda, bayithenga, and into engiyithandile ukuthi amajita ayithengile. Bengasiyinto yokuthi sifuna ukuphusha what sifuna ukukhulisa, sinikela impahla zamahala. Amajita abe na this thing ukuthi no, untwana is doing something good, it is simthengele product, ithi product siyithenge, siyipromote, sikhona ukumkhulisa naye. Nathi sisikhulile, nabo sebakhulile emafieldini wabo as ama-comedian, so banginceda ngaleyo ndlela.
Kuhle khulu kwamambala because kuyangithabisa ukubona from la usuke khona and then so usezingeni lelokilo. So now ngiba wasitshela umlaleli osekhaya namkhana umbukeli ukuthi ama-product onawo ngaphakathi kweSqomani ngimaphi namaphi bawathola phi nabawathola njani?
At the moment, we currently have a lot of products,
Yes.
ranging from your handbags, your ladies' handbags. We have your card holder, we have your cone pairs, we have a sweater, we have a hoodie, we have a windbreaker, anomgwalo, athuthukisa isikhethu. Sine tegi. We recently launched a new product. We have a sneaker.
Yeah.
It has an element of Ndebele print, of which we are trying to ukuthuthukisa isikhethu simaNdebele thina mina kwethu loyazi uyakuzwisisa. Sinama bucket hat, we have many products, but abantu bangasithola Facebook, it's Sqomani Authentic Wear. Twitter we have Sqomani Wear. Instagram we have Sqomani_wear. Then bangasithola na ku website yethu www.sqomaniwear.com. Then sine TikTok Sqomani. We have, I think that's just about it. Na ku WhatsApp 072 400 3525.
Bawuyibuyele
072 400 3525 ku WhatsApp.
So now kosakwethu now lokhu usunguza ama-product la ubani bekakusupport kakhulu and i-education idlale yiphi role phezu komuntu onguyenja?
I think education ibaluleke kakhulu mina bethu, because it gives you angazi ukuthi ngiyibeke njani, mara there's an element kimi engenza ngiphushe i-brand the way ngiyiphusha ngakhona, because inginika that thing ukuthi I must do my research, I must do a due diligence ya yonke into engiyenzayo. Mangithoma ngilaunch product kumele ngenze due diligence, ngiyazi ukuthi ngenza i-product, ithatha isikhathi ukuthi ukhona ukubona ukuthi is this the real quality that I want to do.
Oh, yes.
You understand? Ngingamane ngiyenza into mangiceda ngiyithengise. Kusasa abantu bazokuthi mara product yakho le ayina uyasithengisela yona mara nawe ngathi quality control awusisho ngayo. You understand?
Yeah.
So kumele wenze into nawe ongayithenga self. Into nawe as a person uyithengisa kube happy ngayo. Ngingayithenga mina ikepisi le or ngingayithenga ijezi le mina self before ngayithengisela wena mina. You understand? So to me education is very important. Ikufundisa into eziningi in terms of your research, doing your research about whatever that you're doing, understand the field that you are in, understand all the role players, woke abantu abakhona kwi-field inoyiyo kumele ukhona ukuba assess and everyone uba analyze and uyangizwisisa. Ngazi ukuthi I'm making sense, but
You are making a lot of sense.
I am hoping you are getting what I'm trying to say.
Yes. So now nase ngibuyele emva kancane. Una more than 10 years game. Sibiza ngokuthi textile or sibiza ngokuthi clothing industry namkhara ibizwa njani?
No, we can just say your brand.
Okay.
In this and you trying to build this brand for the past 10 years.
Okay,
Yeah.
perfect.
Yeah.
So now uzizwe njani kunabantu abathome their own product ngemva kwakho, but because of babe ne-access yama-funds namkhana bakhonile ukuthi bahelebheke bona bakhona ukublowa ngaphambi kwakho? How did that feel?
No, I think what I can say is wonke umuntu une-time frame. You understand? I can't say because I've been in this game for the past 10 years. Nabanye abafike before me and are already bigger in terms of scaling, in terms of how many shops they have. But abantu asifana ngisho umuntu angekho wazi ukuthi why bona bakhule fast the way bakhule ngakhona, and mina I'm just i-growth yami ithatha isikhathi. It's organic, it's not something I didn't buy it, you understand. Ukukhula kwami angakakuthengi, it's organic, iyazikhulela, ngitshalile ngesikhathi mas right konke kuzokwenzeka. But I'm happy for everyone because our journeys are not the same, and because bona they've made it before me doesn't mean my product is bad, doesn't mean what I'm doing is bad. It's just a matter of time. Sooner or later it's gonna happen, it's gonna grow to where I want it to be. But I'm happy for everyone in the industry who's doing well.
Ngithokoza kakhulu kwamambala Nkosi kwethu. Ngiyafisa ukuveza ama product akho lapha. Ikepisi le agivese bayibone Sqomani. Ngiba ungiboleka incapsi lakhwelo, ibheke uyiphethe yona.
Hayi sekareni language.
Yebo. Bakwethu sitholeleni wona. Nijeza imbethe kwele ngeSqomani. Yes, niyayibona. Hola mate.
Hola mnawethu.
Ngiyezwa abantazana balila ngawe ku Twitter. Yes.
Kuthwenzakala mnawethu.
Bathi ayikhona manje. Sqomani lo.
Kakezwa next, mina kazi next,
ngizwa ngawo. Ngibonile abantazana balila ngawe ku Twitter. Nabanye bekhe ba share inthombe zakho. But no mte bekhe gathi bakulalisela amehlo mte bathoma ukuqala qala.
Ne?
But no, you are very good looking guy. You are clean. You know what you're doing. So now ne following efana naleyo namkhana unabasekeli abafana nalabo. Uphatha njani nokuthini kuwe na ubona abantu bengubo ba embrace your own products?
It makes me happy because in each and everything that we're doing, we want the support. You understand? I think we're building this thing for people. We're not building it for ourselves. We're building it for the future generation. Abantu bakandebele babe inspired. Umntwana okhulako kusasa azi ukuthi ngingayenza ikolo yami. You understand? Ngingaba ne-brand ekoloyi. So what we're doing is we just sitshalela the next future generation ukuthi babe inspired. Sibe ma role models ukuthi sasa nabo bakhona ukwazi ukuthi it's possible ungabuya eBhukuni uDubu and have your car brand. You understand? You can actually do your own thing. You don't need any validation from anyone. You just need to do your research and understand what you're doing, because each and every field ifuna wazi the ins and outs. Mara ngithokozela kakhulu isekelo labantu bengubo ngomsebenzi esiwenzayo.
So Nkosi kwethu abantu abakude by-accessa njani iSqomani brand?
We have a website. It's actually easy for someone who's in Cape Town.
Okay.
You can just log in. You can just log in on our website www.sqomani, where you purchase your product. You put your, and like when you purchasing, the steps are gonna give you an option where you put your address.
Okay.
Then it also gives you an option to pay. After you pay, we just send your product.
So
we deliver nationwide. Yeah. See, after purchasing, Tina siyathola everything information yakho. You pay. You pay. Then after paying, we just send your stuff to Cape Town.
Perfect.
Thank you.
Bakwethu nizwile ukuthi iSqomani authentic wear ifunyane kanjani. Bakhona ku WhatsApp, bakhona kuma social platforms, bakhona ke wonke ku Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Ngiba uwabuyelele wakwethu.
Okay, ku Facebook sitholakala ku Sqomani authentic wear. Then ku Twitter it's Sqomani wear. Then ku Instagram is Sqomani_wear. Ku TikTok is Sqomani. Our website is www.sqomaniwear.com. Then ku WhatsApp it's 072 400 3525. 072 400 3525.
My king, good luck with your journey, man.
Thank you.
Keep pushing.
Before I finish, I just want to say what you guys doing, you and Khoto. I'm a great admirer of your work. We are this we are happy.
Sure,
We are
sure.
one Mara a story for another day, but I actually love what you're doing. You stand for what you believe in, of
Yes.
which is very rare like, in our community, because people are always insulting what you guys are doing.
True,
But
true.
you have a vision, you understand what
Correct.
you're doing, and you stick to what you're doing. That's magnificent in someone like me, you understand,
Ngiyathokoza.
olandelela izinto azenzayo. But I'm proud of you.
Thanks,
And
Mickey.
where you from and where you going. Okuhle kuphela mna kwethu.
No,
Nokhotho lapho ngiyambona. Adoda into eniyenza kuhle khulu. Qhubekani ibambe njalo, isikhethu esisithuthukise.
Wenza njalo.
Nakinga mfowethu.
Okwethu manithokoza khulu kwamambala sizobuye sihlangane nasele sithole ama-equipment apheleleko nasiwafunako si-invite studio sethu Sqomani Creations kwamhlanga lapho zokuza khona nama-product namkhana size kuwe la khona abantu bakhona ukuwabona woke yabona. So my king ngikufisela ichudu
Thokozile mna wethu.
eitera
Danko.
sure.